Okay, so this is Irish CMOS. This is an amazing product found in the ocean. We need this superfood into our daily life because of minerals, right? The pancreas can produce enzymes, but we need minerals from an outside source. So you could literally live off this stuff. It's absolutely incredible. Dr. Sebi did a 90-day fast just on CMOS. This is an amazing superfood that we just need to incorporate into our daily life to just feel better and have that energy that we're all after. So first up, we're just gonna make the CMOS gel in a little food processor here. This is just a base because this is what it looks like in the beginning, right? If you want to smell this bag, this seriously smells like the ocean in here. It is so powerful. So what we need to do is take some and just rinse it, okay? Nice little light rinse in the beginning, and what we're gonna do is do a soak for 2 days, all right? Let it get nice and gelatinous, okay? Make sure you rinse out all the water, and then we're gonna throw it in the food processor, blend it up, get that nice CMOS gel going, and we're gonna make that smoothie. All right, everything is nice and blended up. This is that CMOS gel. We want a really nice, smooth consistency. Just add water. Depending on how much actual CMOS that you use, we just want to get a nice, smooth consistency in there. There's so much benefits to having this gel when it's like active like this in its form. You can just throw this in a mason jar, keep it, make sure you use it, throw it in the fridge, use it for about a week or so, and then keep doing this until that whole bag is gone. If you want to know which brand I use, just check in the description of this video and put links to the actual CMOS that I use. Everything is gonna be in the description, so check that at the end of the video. Now, we're gonna make the smoothie, and the main ingredient, as you know, is watermelon. This is a seeded watermelon. This is very important to have real food, okay? And this is a key lime. If you don't know what a key lime is, this is a true lime. This has seeds. We want to have real food. This is a big part of the healing journey, making sure that you have the most important, valuable organic food, right? Straight from nature. So let's whip up a smoothie and get this going.
Let me show you something.
It's important to just leave a little bit of the white rind, get that in there. All that good stuff is still in the rind, and you want to make sure you get some nice even cuts. We're gonna throw this big juicy melon straight into the Vitamix and probably have at least 2 smoothies with this. Get it in here. And my favorite part are these key limes. This is essential right here for adding some flavor, alkalinity, really getting the most out of how you get your watermelon. So what we want to do is get everything into the blender and mix it up. It's important not to over blend though. We're gonna take all this fresh lime juice, probably 3 limes in here. And this is a great combo for digestion, getting that agni, that digestive fire going. And I'm gonna have this throughout the day as well. This is a great elixir during the summertime, staying cool, staying hydrated. All right, so we got the lime juice in there, we got our watermelon. Now it's time to add some of that CMOS gel that we made earlier. What we're gonna do is just add 2 big heaping tablespoons. All right, we got all the ingredients in there. CMOS, alkaline, key lime, seeded melon. Let's pop it in the blender. Cheers, everybody. That key lime really takes it up a notch. Sweetness from the watermelon with just a little pinch of like a natural salt from the ocean right here in the sea moss. Really nice flavor combination here. If it's too salty for you, you did not rinse the sea moss. Make sure you're rinsing it while it's being soaked. What I do is I drain out the water and then I rinse it a few times throughout the day before I actually make the gel. Now, you can enjoy this throughout the day, have a big smoothie, cut up a watermelon. This is by far the most powerful way to alkalize your body, to get that hydration. We have natural iodine for the thyroid, functioning for the metabolism. There's so many benefits in sea moss, all the vitamins, B minerals. We have an amazing amount, 92 minerals, all right? The body requires 102. 92 out of the 102 minerals are right here in sea moss. Combined with that amazing alkalinity, gives you supercharged energy. You guys are gonna love this recipe. Thank you again for watching this video. Thank you for taking the time for your health. And if you guys wanna leave a comment below, tell me what you think. Tell me if you're into sea moss. What is this alkalinity stuff all about? I'm curious what you guys think and how this is benefiting you. And thanks for being here, everybody. Hit that like button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Until next time, cheers.